Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking to you about PayPal's friends and family and goods and services. So, what are those two things? So, simply, when you go ahead and use PayPal and you want to send a amount of money or you want to buy something, it gives you two options. The first option is going to be personal payments, and then the second option is going to be goods and trades. So, like this personal payments, and the second one purchases for goods and services. So, today I'm going to touch about what's the difference between them, when would I personally use them, or when do I personally use both of these options, and just which one is overall going to suit your type of payment that you want to do. So, first of all, what's the personal payments or what's the friends and family type of payment? As the name entails, you use this kind of or option of payment when you, for example, just want to send a friend some money, if you want to buy some groceries, if you want to send a friend some gifts, maybe if you want to just buy something, not buy, just you want to purchase something or send money to something personal, to a friend or family member, maybe split a bill between you two. Basically, it's something that you trust because keep this in mind, only use this option with friends or family members that you fully trust. And I will touch on that later as to why is that. So, uh, thing is about this type of payment, the personal payments. There's a fee that applies to anyone who's using a debit or credit card. This will apply a fee. The only free option here is if you're from the US and you use bank account or PayPal balance, that's going to be free of charge. However, anything else is going to apply a small fee to your payment. Also, you need to note that this kind of payment is not available in India. So that's two things that you need to note. The most important thing that you need to note, and is why I have been telling you you need to be trusting the person you're sending the money to, is this: personal payments are not covered by PayPal purchase protection. What does that mean? That simply means if you have made an error or a mistake with your payment, so let's say, for example, you want to send a family member or a friend some money, you just want to send $100 and you sent 150, for example. Yeah, good luck fixing that because PayPal is not going to fix that for you. PayPal purchase protection simply just if there's means if there's any errors with the payment, PayPal should uh, basically refund the amount. However, in this case, you need to fully trust the person because the only way you could fix a error with the payment is by going ahead and talking to them and letting them know that it was an error and it was a mistake. If they want to send it back to you, that's on them. So PayPal should is not going to have any protection over the fee. That's why I'm telling you, use this when you trust the person you want to send money to. So that's the most important part about personal payments that you need to keep in mind. Now, purchases for goods and services. What is that? Purchasing a online merchandise, anything from Amazon or something like that. Downloading a digital item or a copy, for example, a course for an online thing, that counts as goods and services. If you want to use an auction like eBay, for example, that also counts. So, all of these things, if you want to purchase something online, if you're basically paying money and you expect something in return, you use this option. Now, it does have a fee for the seller. When you make this type of payment, the seller pays a small fee to receive your money. Obviously, you can go to this page in order to see the fees that apply. Now, something that you really need to note here, which is the most significant difference between the first one and the second one, is the PayPal purchase protection is actually applying here. So what does that mean? If we go to this page over here, I'm going to read in quote. So if an eligible item that you have bought online doesn't arrive or doesn't match the seller's description, PayPal's buyer protection may reimburse you with the full amount of the item plus postage. So basically, if you want to buy something online and you're afraid that, they may cheat you somehow, you use this option because it has PayPal purchase protection. Meaning that if you there's something wrong that happened, they send you the wrong thing, wrong item, or it just wasn't it was a different amount than it was stated, then it's PayPal should refund you. So those are the main differences between personal payments and purchases of goods and services. So when do I personally use them? Personal payments, I only use them when I send money or want to send a gift to a very, very, very trusted person, like a family member or a very close friend. And that's it. That's the only time I use personal payments. I have been using it, and it's good when you trust the person. Because if I made a mistake, the only way to fix it again is just going to be by talking to the person and hoping they have a good heart. Now, when do I use goods and services? I use that to buy anything online, simply. If I buy something on Amazon, eBay, if I want to buy a digital copy, all of those things, I just use goods and services because I know I'm getting my basically everything that I have ordered, I should be getting it. If not, PayPal purchase protection is going to be helping me out. So those are the main differences between the two. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.